Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a Google Forms link in Instagram bio. Instagram doesn't allow clickable links in posts, but you can add a Google Forms link in your bio to collect responses for surveys, sign-ups, customer inquiries, or business promotions if you want to drive engagement and direct users to your form. So follow these steps to add and optimize your Google Form link in your Instagram bio. The first step is to create your Google form. And to do that, just go to forms.google.com or workspace Google, then product slash forms here, and make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Now, after you log in, now it's time to create your new form, and you can do that by going to the Start New Form section and click on Blank Form. Now here you can write a title for your form, questionnaire, or a quiz or something, and you can write a description describing your form, its purpose, and you can give also details. Now you can also add questions by clicking on the plus button in this menu right here. You can add questions, important questions, add titles and description, etc. You can add images and videos, customize branding, and ensure it's mobile friendly. The second step is to shorten your Google Forms link, and to do that just click on send and copy the forms link. You can now to share the link for the form, just click on publish. Once you finish modifying, click on publish and then click on the share icon here. Make sure you switch from anyone with the link from restricted, the restriction changes from restricted to anyone with the link, so anyone with the link can access it. Now if you want it to be restricted, you can click on restricted, but make sure you add the emails of people you want to share the form with, so they can have access. You can just write the emails right in this section. Now after you switch to anyone with the link, make sure you copy the responders link by clicking on this button right here, and as you can see the link is copied into the dashboard. You can also use a link shortener like bit.ly to make it look cleaner. Third step is to add the link to your Instagram bio, and to do that just open Instagram and to go to your profile. Just log into Instagram with your account and go to your profile and click on edit profile, and after that find the website section and paste the shortened Google form link and save changes. The fourth step is to direct users to your bio's link. Now your Instagram post or stories mention link in bio to guide users to the form, and if you have over 10k followers, use the swipe up feature in Instagram stories to link directly. As for the fifth and final step, use link management tools. Now if you need multiple links, use Linktree, Beacons, or lnka.bio to organize multiple URLs in one place. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now your Instagram followers can easily access and fill out your Google Forms for your bio link. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.